What if I told you the universe is completely silent? Every explosion, every collision, every star that dies, all of it happens in total silence. Because sound cannot travel through empty space. Sound needs something to move through: air, water, or any kind of matter. But space is almost a perfect vacuum. That means even the most powerful cosmic explosion would make no sound at all. Imagine watching a massive star explode in a supernova, a blast brighter than entire galaxies. And yet, you would hear absolutely nothing. The universe is not just vast, sometimes it's eerily silent. If this changed how you see reality, subscribe for more truths hidden inside the universe.